Welcome to Jemma Cooking Channel. Cut potatoes into pieces. The slightly thinner pieces are easy to fry and taste better. Wash. Remove seeds. Cut green peppers into pieces. Cut the eggplant into pieces. Sprinkle salt. Mix evenly. Fry potatoes. Fry until golden brown. Take it out. Water around from eggplant surface. Wrap it in starch. Fried eggplant. The other side also fry. Fry the green peppers for 10 seconds. And green onion, ginger, and garlic. And all ingredients. Please try, share it and tag me. If you have any questions, leave a message in the comment. Follow my channel to watch the video at the first time. See you soon.